In Chapter 3, Part 1, we will discuss the elements and energy. This is the basics of chemistry and physics for environmental science. Matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. It comes in three different forms: solid, liquid, and gas. For an example, ice is the solid form of liquid water, which then can be transformed into a gas called water vapor. The law of conservation of matter states that matter isn't created or destroyed, but recycled through our environment. This means that we have a limited amount of matter and we need to keep reusing it. Elements are made of atoms. Atoms are made of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Compounds are different combinations of atoms, and molecules are grouped atoms. These are all terms that refer to the chemical structure of matter. An ion is a charged atom. Acids and bases are measured on the pH scale. This describes the strength of an acid or base. On the picture on the side, you'll see that pHs of 1 to 7 are considered acidic, and then from 7 to 14 are considered basic. To be an acid, it means that the substance will give off hydrogen ions, these are charged hydrogen atoms, when it's placed in water, and bases will bond with hydrogen ions. You can see a list of common items and where they lay on the acidic or basic scale. Organic compounds are materials that make up living things. The basic element of all organic compounds is carbon, which means the basic element of life is carbon. There are 4 types of organic compounds. Lipids are examples of fats and oils. Carbohydrates are sugars. Proteins are things such as enzymes that help in reactions in a living organism. Nucleic acids make up our DNA and RNA. Remember, in all organic compounds build together to make cells. These are the smallest units of life. And enzymes are catalysts to help regulate chemical reactions. Remember, enzymes are types of proteins, and enzymes help to process all the metabolic processes in your body. Moving on to physics. Energy is the ability to do work. There's 3 types of energy: kinetic energy, potential energy, and chemical energy. Kinetic energy is moving, potential energy is available for use, and chemical energy is stored energy that's also available for use. Heat is also a form of energy. It's energy transferred between 2 different objects. There's 2 laws when we're dealing with heat. The first law of thermodynamics says that energy and heat is conserved. The second law of thermodynamics states that energy is transferred and less is available to do work. So this means that in each step, as energy is transferred, heat or chemical potential energy, some is lost from one step to the next.